Good afternoon or good morning, depending on what time of day I have you in class. This video lesson is intended to show you how to find the author's purpose in the text City of Romo Curbside Recycling Program. We've already read the text. Now we're going to find the author's purpose throughout the text. Remember that author's purpose is going back to my Cornell notes. Author's purpose is the reason an author writes about a particular topic. Remember that the author uses different methods to get their point across, such as persuading you using persuasive language. They entertain scholars by making you laugh or cry or making you happy by using some kind of emotion. They also inform you using information. They also explain a topic. They may analyze a topic or look at another topic closely. And they also describe topics using descriptive language. Remember, that is guide, persuade, inform, entertain, explain, and describe. Now let's look at the City of Romo Recycling Program. Again, we've already read it. Now let's look at it a little bit deeper. We've already made our prediction. If you have not done so just yet, you may pause this video so that you can make your prediction. Alright, let's move this out of our way just a little bit so you guys can see. Alright, so let's reread. Now, let me tell you what I highlighted from paragraph 1 and why. Remember, I'm looking for the author's purpose. I'm looking for examples of persuading, informing, entertaining us, explaining a topic, or describing a topic. So for paragraph 1, I highlighted the first sentence because it's asking us a question. Well, I want to know, why is this author asking us a question? So go ahead and highlight that on your page. To recycle or not to recycle? Why is this author asking me this question? That's often a question that creates confusion when trying to properly dispose of paper, plastic, and metal products. The City of Romo wants to help alleviate the uncertainty of how to recycle items properly. Visit the City of Romo's Environmental Waste Systems webpage for more information. I highlighted for more information because that makes me think about informing us. So I'm like, is this author trying to give us more information? Well, how are they going to give us more information? It's on the webpage. It's also on a leaflet, also known as a pamphlet. So a pamphlet is like if you go to Career Day and they say, hey, here you go. Here's a pamphlet of our information for our robotics program. So it's more information about the robotics program. So also highlighted leaflet. Additionally, makes me think about a list of things. So I think that this author is trying to give me some information. So I think they're trying to inform us. So I highlighted additionally. Also, the City of Romo wants to help alleviate the uncertainty of how to recycle items properly. The what are they talking about? Is this curbside recycling program. So that's what I highlighted from paragraph 1. So if you have not done so already, go and highlight that on your paper. If you need to pause this video, you may. And also I gave you some extra information on leaflet. Paragraph 2. What is recycling? I automatically highlighted what is recycling because now I'm seeing a pattern. This author asked a question in the first sentence of each paragraph. Recycling is a process of changing waste materials into new materials. It involves the reuse of different materials instead. Instead makes me think about something being compared. Let me see if my prediction's right. Recycling comes in more forms than people may realize. Another form of recycling is salvage. Salvaging recovers certain materials from more complex materials such as metals from cell phones. Upcycling, also known as creative reuse, is another form of recycling. that transforms unwanted items into new products which are of better quality and environmentally safe. So I highlighted things such as instead, salvage, the sentence about salvaging and what it is. Also the question, of course. So I want you guys to pause the video and I want you to make a quick summary about paragraph 2. Paragraph 2. So I get details about what recycling is. Also, I understand that there are other ways to, other forms, not ways, other forms such as salvaging and upcycling. Upcycling. In paragraph 2. So of course you don't have to write my long summary. You can write your own. But I do want you to stop, pause the video, and give me a brief summary for paragraph 2. Paragraph 3. Why recycle? Ooh, it's still that same text structure. I'm seeing a question in each paragraph at the beginning. That's the first sentence. Recycling has numerous benefits. It reduces waste that pollute the air, the water, and the land. In the wake of a heightened awareness of climate protections, recycling can save material and aid in lowering greenhouse gas emissions. So I highlighted why recycle. Wake. I'm also going to highlight recycling has numerous benefits. This still seems to me as if the author is giving me more information and describing the benefits of recycling. So I'm seeing an informative and descriptive flow in this text, but I want to be sure that this is actually the author's purpose, that it's not something else. So I want to keep reading. But right now I think it's either describe or inform. How to recycle. Materials, I'm going to highlight that sentence. Materials and products to be recycled are done in 2 ways. Materials are brought to a drop-off center or picked up curbside. Once collected, all items are cleaned, separated, and reprocessed into new materials for redistribution. During the initial sorting process, a commonly forgotten step by consumers is not removing the lids from all bottles and jars and making sure to rinse each item of any food particles. So I highlighted the sentence. I highlighted the sentence that has redistribution in it. Also consumers. I'm going to actually go ahead and, because I know that I've previewed the questions, so I know there's a question about this one. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this last sentence in paragraph 4. Now it's describing what redistribution is. It's giving us more information on what the initial sorting process looks like, what happens, and now it's explaining how to recycle. That's paragraph 5. What can Romo community members do to reduce waste? Start by opting for reusable products such as grocery tote bags instead of disposable products. If a reusable tote is not desirable, the next best option is paper. Paper bags, for example, decomposes much faster than plastic and is more widely recyclable. However, if you must choose plastic bags, check with your local store, as many grocery stores like the ones in Romo offer plastic bag recycling bins. Whether Whenever possible, just recycle, upcycle, or salvage. This shows the main idea and it's also a summary of the text. I see the beginning, the middle, and the end right here in this sentence. I highlight the first sentence because I see that text structure. They are showing me how to recycle. What should you do to recycle? What is recycling? So I'm seeing a pattern. Remember, text structure shows a pattern of author's writer. I also highlighted however. That makes you think of this one topic and another topic, and you're comparing those two. So however, whenever, and I also highlighted start by opting for reusable products such as grocery tote bags instead of disposable products. Now at the bottom, I want you to give me a brief summary using the beginning, middle, and end of the city of Romo. I hope that this video lesson has helped. If you would like to, you may go back and rewatch it. But the next task, you guys are going to, in teams, you guys are going to answer the questions with your teams. Please let me know if you have any questions.